Hey, welcome back to the Confident Dancers channel. If you're new here, my name is Joshua and I teach hip hop and breaking online. Today I'm going to be sharing with you in this video how to take a simple dance step, more specifically a two-step in this video, and how you can just blow it up and make it many different moves and allow you to have a little bit more fun dancing. But first, if you're someone who's struggling to learn hip hop dance or breaking, you don't know where to start, or just think you're too old to start something new, it's time to make this year your year you learn how to dance, and the link to apply to work with us is in the description box below. All right, let's get started. All right, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take a simple step, which is a two-step, and it looks like this, which just goes 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So all this is, I'm just shifting my weight from side to side. My feet placement isn't necessarily moving. I'm just lifting up the side and tapping it down on the foot. One note to make is that I am not doing a flat foot, I'm doing the toe. So it goes flat foot, toe, flat foot, toe, flat foot, toe, flat foot, toe. So now the purpose of this video is, okay, maybe you only have 1 to 2, maybe even 3 moves, but you still wanna get out there, you wanna enjoy yourself in a cypher environment or at a social dance setting. You don't need 20, 30 moves under your belt. All you need is an understanding of how to take my simple two-step and transform it. So one really simple way you can do this is changing directions. So let me give you an example. So here we go. Tap, 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 again, tap, 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 tap. So that was a very simple example of just doing more of a plus sign, north, south, east, west. Keep in mind that you can also do 45 degrees. So if you're coming in this direction like this, you can also just turn a little bit 45 degrees, or you can 180 from that whole position here. So this one move now becomes a 360 sphere of what you can do, and now you can create that movement and make it look a little bit more complex. Another simple thing that you can do with the two-step is traveling or taking up space. So once more, you have a whole 360 sphere of what you can be doing. So let me just create some angle at the moment. So two-step, now I'm stepping forward. Now I'm changing my angle a bit. Now I'm gonna walk in a line. Boom, boom. So that simple move can now be taken from here to a different direction, to a different direction, and then we can travel with it. And now you can even go backward with it too. So now you have that full range of going forward, backward, side, directions, and changing. Another simple fix you can do is creating shapes. Some basic shapes are triangles, squares, rectangles, circles. We've already used circles, so let me use an example of a square. So we're gonna imagine that we have a square here, and we're going to trace that square with our two-step. So it's gonna go two-step, I'm on this line right here, two-step, 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 two-step. So all I'm doing is I'm just pivoting on a foot, either left or right, it depends which direction you'd like to go, while I'm keeping that rhythm of the two-step. All right, and another idea that you can do to take one simple step is to add levels to that. You can either do a jumping level, which is a little bit difficult, but right now we're gonna practice a lower level. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So now if we're combining all of these elements, which is the direction changes, the traveling, the shapes, and the levels, now we can give you an example of taking a simple two-step, dun, 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 changing directions, changing directions, I'm traveling, 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 and back, 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 and level, 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 level. Now making a shape. And so you can take a simple two-step and then really bring it to life. So keep in mind when you're in these cypher environments, you want to go in with 2 to 3, you can even go with 1 step, and you just want to take these patterns and create shapes on the spot to the music. And this is a very simple way that you can still get out there. You don't have to be some crazy professional dancer or do some crazy big moves. You want to remember that people don't remember the crazy moves that you did, but they remember the energy that you made them feel. So as long as you're going out there smiling, having a good time, allowing people in your party, keeping your chest up, keeping your eyes up, and not just looking down and closing off your energy, you're gonna have a good time and people are gonna feel that good energy from you. What I wanna invite you to do is try another step if you may know it, and then try this exercise with that. And once you try from 2 to 3 steps with this same type of framework and the same type of thinking, you're now gonna have more than 20 steps with just 3 basic foundational steps. Woo! All right, now you know how to take a 2-step and flip it on its head and really open up that move. So keep in mind that you can learn any other step and you can apply these same mechanics and same understandings. You can change the shape, you can change the direction, you can create a shape within the movement. So the possibilities are endless. You can continue to do this with every other move that you begin to learn, and this is how you can create many variations with just a couple of steps. So if you enjoyed that and you want to take your dance to the next level, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can either book a call or learn more about what we do in the description box below. All right, I'll see you next Tuesday.